We're back with the e46 M54 B30 3.0 BMW engine. About to start removing the connecting rods to remove the piston. It has some special bolts, the hex ones. We're gonna need the E12. This is the one we need. But before that, I'm gonna mark the connecting rods so I can number the pistons. Now let me show you guys, if you guys own a BMW E46 or any other BMW, this set it works perfect. It has Torx on hex, bolts, whatever you guys need. They sell it at Sears. The brand is Craftsman. This is how it looks. Right now they have it for $25. So go ahead and get one of these sets. It's gonna save your life. This is the serial number in here. So with this set, I have taken down a full engine oil transmission because it has all the bolts, all the sockets you guys need. The mains on this one, they're perfect. So I will show you guys how to rebuild a BMW engine on a budget, what to look on the specs on it. But the metals on this one, they're super clean look. And then on these engines, if you guys want, mark the caps so you can know where they go. What I do, I remove them, I put them on the side, and then I put it back in on the order. But to extra safety is mark them. Like this one, it has a stamp on it, has a number stamp on it. It's a 1, 2, 3. This one is a 4. It has a 4 in there. But for extra safety on it, so you can be more sure, I'm gonna mark them. I'm gonna stamp them. See how nice and even these are? They hardly have any wear markings, so these are reusable. You see, same on this one. It has no grooves, it has no copper discoloration. So these are really usable. So on this one, all we need is polish the crank, hone the cylinder block, and use the same pistons, and buy OM original piston rings. Even the truss washers on this one are perfect. Look how beautiful and clean these are. So again, these are reusable. Okay, so let me give you a walkthrough. Those are the mains. They look nice and clean. They have no off or wear. They look almost new, so they're good to go. So we're building this engine on a budget. I bought the full engine for $100 over on the internet, offer up. So I was planning on doing a full rebuild, but I have the stroker already. So in the meanwhile, but I get more parts for the stroker, I'm gonna rebuild this one, or I'm gonna put this one together, and I'm gonna put it on my car, because the stroker is gonna go all together when I have all the parts to make it the stick shift swap, so I can go engine and transmission together at once. Well, there, anyways, those are the mains. The metals are clean. Now the caps, bless you, this is clean also, so good to be reused. The pistons, we have it over here. Pistons are gonna be same. The metals are also clean. They don't have any weird wear. Pistons are gonna be same. I'm gonna get the piston rings from the dealer, because as you guys know, the e46 of the BMWs, they suffer from the piston rings are bad from the get-go, and then they burn oil. They pass oil into the pistons, the chamber. So that's because of the oil consumption. They're weak or stupid oil rings. So I'm gonna go with the brand new rings. Maybe I'll drop in some high performer ones, but yeah, so far the only thing I'm gonna spend on this engine, it's gonna be like $200 to $300, $300 US. So this is the e46 330 Ci BMW. That's my daily car, the Panda one. It's gonna be an engine build on the extreme budget. Even the crankshaft is clean, so I'm just gonna clean it, wash it, polish it. The engine is gonna be washed, clean, hone it. Now to remove those oil injectors, you're gonna need this one here, and it's the 5mm. So we have to remove the oil injectors or oil squirters, because it's gonna be honed. If not, it's gonna break the stone. So let me go ahead and remove that. So the bolts are off. I'm gonna put a flat screwdriver, move it around, so I can remove those. Put the connecting caps back on, so I can wash the block. Stay tuned.